Welcome to You Can Be Healthier TV. Today, we will discuss Cook Like a Pro, insider tips and culinary advice. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover the secrets to mastering the art of cooking, straight from the kitchens of professional chefs. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your skills or an experienced cook aiming to elevate your culinary game, this guide is packed with valuable insights and practical advice to help you achieve delicious results every time. Essential techniques. Begin by honing your fundamental cooking skills. Learn how to properly chop, slice, and dice with precision, and understand the importance of knife safety and maintenance. Master basic cooking methods such as sautéing, roasting, grilling, and steaming, and discover how to use these techniques to bring out the best flavors in your ingredients. Ingredient knowledge. Great cooking starts with great ingredients. We'll guide you through the process of selecting the freshest produce, the highest quality meats, and the most flavorful herbs and spices. Learn how to identify seasonal ingredients and understand the benefits of using locally sourced products. Plus, get tips on proper storage to keep your ingredients fresh for longer. Flavor building. Unlock the secrets to creating complex, well-balanced flavors. Learn how to use herbs, spices, and seasonings to enhance your dishes and explore the art of flavor pairing to create harmonious combinations. Discover the role of acidity, sweetness, bitterness, and umami in cooking, and how to balance these elements to create mouth-watering dishes. Advanced techniques. Take your cooking skills to the next level with advanced techniques used by professional chefs. Explore the world of sous vide, learn how to make perfect emulsions, and discover the magic of slow cooking and braising. Understand the science behind these methods and how they can transform your cooking. Presentation and plating. Impress your guests with beautiful restaurant-quality presentation. Learn the principles of plating, including the use of color, texture, and composition to create visually stunning dishes. Get tips on garnishing and how to add the finishing touches that make your dishes look as good as they taste. Time-saving tips. Cooking like a pro doesn't mean spending all day in the kitchen. Discover time-saving tips and techniques that will help you prepare meals efficiently. Learn how to plan your meals, make the most of your kitchen tools, and batch cook to save time without sacrificing quality. Troubleshooting and adjustments. Even the best cooks encounter challenges in the kitchen. Learn how to troubleshoot common cooking problems, from fixing a dish that's too salty to rescuing overcooked meat. Get tips on making adjustments on the fly to ensure your dishes turn out perfectly every time. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to cook like a pro, creating delicious, beautifully presented meals that will impress your family and friends. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will transform the way you cook. Welcome to You Can Be Healthier TV. Let's get cooking.